You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this very confusing word once and for all correctly. I know it's very confusing, it confuses me. If you want to learn more vocabulary that is confusing in English, stay tuned, by the way. Pronounced in British English, the American pronunciation is a bit different as folklore. Faux, the L is silent, so don't worry about pronouncing the L, just pronounce the F-O at the beginning as folklore. Folklore. In American English, in the US, it's usually pronounced a little bit differently as folklore. Folklore, folklore, American English pronunciation, or folklore. British English. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let us know, let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.